Oh, she's gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, he is handsome. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh. You want to be cute? Oh, gorgeous. So cute. Absolutely gorgeous. What about you? You want to be cute? So cute. So cute. Absolutely gorgeous.
Oi, you're lucky I didn't punch you in the face.
Oh, he is absolutely handsome. Absolutely gorgeous.
Oh, hello, mate.
Hello, mate. How's your bum? Oh, she's gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful.
Oh, excuse me. It's been a long time.
Been like that? Oh, he is so cute. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, so cute. So cute.
Have I pulled?
Oh, he is so cute. So cute.
Mate, don't touch my face. I pull more funny than you.
Oh, God, he looks like a nutter. I'm going to do it anyway. Oh, so cute. So cute.
You're not so bad yourself, mate.
A puppy, hello. Hello. What's your name? Oh, you're so pretty. Where's your human? Where's your human, little puppy? Oh, hello. What's your name? Ah! Hello, puppy. Hello. Oh, stop looking. Stop looking, mate.
What the fuck are you doing with my dog?
Nothing. I don't know what I'm doing with your dog. What are you doing with your hair? Hack. Do the crazy Scots, mate. Hack, do the crazy Scots, mate. Hack, do the crazy Scots.
Right! Listen, pal, shut your mouth. Shut your mouth, that's mine. That is mine. Let go now. Let go of this, you bastard. That's mine. Fuck! I'm shut so bored of this. I got 4 stars in this guy and you cunt. What you said to me, what? I said no fucking around. Shut your mouth. Who the fuck are you, fuck? This is my fucking shop. What's your fucking name? Are you, fuck? Who the fucking shite are you, fuck? Who are you? You shite mad bastard. I can believe in here. This is a fucking great place to stay. This is a great fucking...
Oh, they're fuming.
See you later, pal. See you later, guys.
I'm sorry. Tom, I'm sorry, man.
Mate, seriously.
Excuse me there, sir. €50 for your best dance move. Good. Yes! Show me some legs. Yes! Have a great day, brother.